Hey guys, it's me, VacMaster2020. I'm sorry I have not posted in a while, but here is my new central vacuum. It is an M&S air vac, which also made some Filtexes. Here's suction, and then this is my Riccar power head to my Riccar Pizzazz. Gets about the same CFM with the central vac, 56 CFM. So does the Riccar Pizzazz. Here is me doing some normal vacuuming. Sorry about that. Those are all the way in the corner. There we go. That's fun. Yep. Sorry guys. Gotta plug that back in. Hold on. Technical difficulties. There you go. That should have fixed it. The hose, I wish it was in a little bit better shape. This is a Hayden, if I get this better in the light, super hose. And it would have had the super, that's what the original owners of this central vacuum bought. I bought this used for $80. And it came with the original Hayden power head. This is the Hayden wand, but this is the power head to my Riccar Pizzazz, as I said a minute ago. I prefer using this because it performs a bit better. This thing had no hair. I just cleaned it before making this video, and as you can see, it's dirty. If I get this better in the light, you can see there's hair on it. So let me remove the two attachments that did not come with it. Those are mine. That came with the Riccar Pizzazz. I put that in there because I was cleaning the car the other day. So Hayden crevice tool. This is a Kirby. I think that's a Heritage upholstery tool. Then there's also a Kirby Heritage 1. These are not Heritage 2. These are Heritage 1. Dusting brush and crevice and upholstery tool. Then here's the I think original. Maybe not. I don't know. I think this came with the Hayden kit. Then one of my favorite upholstery tools. It's a Hayden. If I get this better in the light. Oh. Sadly, my lighting's not. I've got a very powerful light, except my iPhone SE seems to not want to focus. But I love this filter. I love this crevice tool for cleaning filters, and it's also a great crevice tool. Here is a Hayden bare floor tool. This to me looks more like a what is it? Kenmore, and then it also looks like a Kenmore power head. Obviously, for me, I would say that's a little bit too noisy. The original power head, but here's my Dyson Turbo Tangle-free turbo. And if you guys have seen a beam central vacuum, this thing uses the same style inverted cloth filter, which I will be converting this thing to a bag, a 2-port bag, not a True Seal MD, but it's also supposed to be for a bagged beam with 2 ports. So, Oh, and if you guys haven't noticed, I'm in my new house. This is not a fully installed central vacuum yet. This has a hose going all the way down to the basement to the power unit, a 35-foot hose that you guys have, if you've watched my channel, you search VacMaster 2020 Central Vacuum, or, yeah, you'll see my content with my homemade Miele-powered central vacuums. I've had my one, which was a Miele S7. I've also used a Dyson DC-17, but I don't use that anymore. I would either use my Miele or I would use my Miele S7 or my Miele Titan. And I'm going to set this down for 2 seconds. Flip back. Sorry, guys. Set this down for 2 seconds and grab my... Oh, wait, wrong room. Oops. Oh, where did I set that machine? Sorry, guys, I'm looking for my Dyson DC-17. I don't know where I put it. I've got so many machines. Here. Sorry about the wait, guys, but here is my nice Dyson DC-17. This is a different Cyclone. I got this Cyclone for free off the curb with another machine with a... They used this on plaster dust, or drywall dust if you're here in America. I'm more used to saying plaster, but drywall. You can see it's going to have a little dirt. I'm selling this, actually. If anybody wants to buy this, it'll be posted up on Facebook Marketplace soon. Within the next couple days. But it's got a brand new brush roll. Stiff as they should be. And there's nothing on the roller. So it's just the light reflecting off, but stiff as it should be. Every motor works on it. The reason I didn't save the machine with this Cyclone originally is it had a motor that was sounding like not very good. Very unhealthy sounding motor. If you work on vacuums, you will know what I'm talking about. But I took that machine fully apart, and then I have also replaced the... What did I replace? I took the motor out of it and replaced my ShopVacs motor with a Dyson DC-17 motor. I had a different motor in it. That was my bench vac. I now use this to clean out every other vacuum. And I'd much rather use my central vacuum to clean out other vacuums than a bagged shop vac that's less powerful. As you guys... Oh, I'll show you guys a little bit better. But I use my Dyson Tangle-free Turbo all the time for upholstery. This thing probably has the most working vacuum of any of my other machines. Again, it's a central vac, so that's not surprising to anybody who knows central vacuums, but I finally have one, and I will be replacing the old Hayden hose and my Riccar power head with a, what is it called, a Wesselworks EBK 360 with I think it's the Plastiflex hose. It's the whatever the hose kit Performance Reviews has. Except mine will be a pigtail system and not a direct connect. And I will be installing my central vacuum myself, just like Performance Reviews. Haha. And the reason there's tape is because I actually had to take this handle off, and then, because it was split right here. So I had to turn the wires around, rip the wires, and then shorten the hose, and then reattach all the low voltage and the high voltage. And as you guys saw, the power head works. And I'm recording with my iPhone SE. The reason you guys haven't seen a content is because my iPhone was sent to Apple and had to be repaired, so I've not been able to make any content. I'm sorry about that, but I've also been moving, but life is life. We deal with what we have to deal with. Again, thank you guys. This has been a VacMaster 2020 video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.